In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on TradingView, how to zoom in and out on TradingView charts. First, open your browser and head to the TradingView website. You can do this from any modern browser, and you don't need anything fancy to follow along. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation. Find the products menu and click it. This is where TradingView keeps links to its charting tools and other features. From the products menu, choose Super Chart. This opens the full-featured charting interface that most traders use day to day. Give it a moment to load. You should see a chart with price candles, a toolbar on the left, and panels around the edges. If you're brand new, the default symbol is fine. What matters here is learning how to control the view. Now that you're on your chart, bring your mouse pointer to the specific area you want to examine more closely. The key idea is that TradingView centers the zoom around your cursor, so placing it precisely over the candles or time range you care about will make your zoom both faster and more accurate. Next, on your keyboard, press and hold the Control key. Keep it held down during the entire zoom action. This tells TradingView you want to zoom rather than scroll through time. If you're on a trackpad or a mouse, the behavior is the same. The Control key stays pressed the whole time. While holding Control and with your hand on the mouse, use the scroll wheel to adjust the zoom. Scroll up to zoom in on the spot under your cursor. You'll see the candles expand and the timescale adjust as you move the wheel. If you go a bit too far, simply reverse the direction and scroll back to pull out slightly until the view looks right. Trackpad users can use a two-finger scroll gesture in the same up or down direction while holding Control. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Move your cursor to the exact candle, price level, or area of interest before you start scrolling because the zoom locks onto that location. Keep Control pressed the whole time. Releasing it will switch the scroll back to navigating the chart timeline. When you've got the view you want, release the Control key and continue your analysis as normal. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView, go to Products, select Super Chart, place your cursor where you want to zoom, hold Control, and scroll up to zoom in. With a little practice, you'll be able to dial in the perfect view of any market in seconds.